Become skilled, employable, and in demand as an aviation maintenance technician, or AMT, from Southern University at Shreveport. AMTs are FAA-certified licensed technicians, highly valued for their skills in inspecting and maintaining all types of aircraft, keeping them safe and in good working order. 38,000 new jobs per year are projected for the global aviation maintenance technician workforce, with salaries starting as high as $45,000 per year. Day and evening courses are available. Course credit may be given for work experience. Scholarships and financial aid are available, including tuition assistance and the GI Bill. Begin your career with SUSLA today. Read more about the Advanced Airframe and Power Plant Maintenance Program on susla.edu. That's susla.edu. Or call Southern University at Shreveport at 318-670-9590. That's 318-670-9590. Let your career take flight at Southern University at Shreveport.